Hey everyone, just want to talk a little bit about what is couponing, what it is, what it isn't, the misconceptions that people have about couponing. I just thought I'd talk to you a little bit about that today. So let's get into it. Sometimes when people think about couponing, they think about using a coupon on an item that they don't want, they don't need, have never bought before, will never buy again, but just going after the product because there's a coupon. That is not what couponing is. Couponing is about using coupons on sale items for things that you need. And so this channel is going to talk a little bit about how to go about using a paper. Say for instance, today I bought the paper, the CVS ad. There's a lot of different ads here. So when you coupon, you look for the things that you would buy. For instance, Tide is on sale at CVS for $5.94, and there's a $2 coupon that'll go with it. If you use Tide, you can save $2 by going to buy this sale item for $5.94 minus $2. You'll get it for $3.94. That's just the basics, something you need, something that you will use, and that's how you save money. That is how you coupon. So, an example of how not to coupon. Let's just say I have a sale item on Huggies. Okay, my kids are grown. I don't need Huggies. I have a $5 off one coupon for Huggies, but I don't use Huggies. I don't need Huggies for anything. So be very careful about chasing after products just because you have a coupon. And be very focused when you do go shopping to make sure you're still buying what you always have bought, the items that you need. And if there's a coupon or a deal that goes with it, that's how you save money. I look forward to continuing this journey with you all, and I'd like you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with others. I thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.